Are you wondering if the Royal Gorge Railroad is worth it?
Come along with us today as we find out.
So we're here in Canon City, Colorado to ride the Royal Gorge Railroad.
It is going to be a few-hour trip out and back along the Arkansas River through the Royal Gorge.
Passes, you're going to be 3 out the back door to the right at 8:45, okay? Thank you.
We opted for the Vista Dome on today's ride, which has sort of side wraparound to top windows and a table.
Yeah, and we're sort of sitting on the upper deck of the car. We paid for breakfast ahead of time, so we'll have to find out how good breakfast is.
We'll let you know.
Okay, so this one's going to be the omelet. Thank you. You're welcome.
And this is the Havlo shrimp charo, if I can say that right.
Gracias.
Nada.
One of the highlights of the trip, aside from the amazing natural scenery, is seeing the Royal Gorge Bridge suspended 1,000 feet overhead.
So we really enjoyed the train. It was a great relaxing way to spend the morning just riding up the Arkansas Valley.
We tend to like trains, whether it's for travel or for tours, and so it's not a surprise that we really enjoyed the trip.
Yeah, and one of the unique things about this train is it has an open air car, so you can basically ride the train outside, which is pretty cool.
We really enjoy that part. That's probably the best part of the train to us. Since the open air car is available to everyone, regardless of seat class, it probably wasn't worth it for us that we paid a little more to upgrade to a nicer indoor seat, since we spent most of our time outside anyway.
Yeah, and since we had that upgrade, we did also eat on the train. We had breakfast, and it was, yeah, about what you'd expect on like a tourist concession sort of thing, and obviously it was overpriced for what we got.
So overall, we really enjoyed the train ride, but if we did it again, we would probably go coach, and we probably would skip the meal and maybe splurge on a beer or a mimosa.
Definitely. So if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking, and until we meet the next one.
Thanks.